Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue what we studied before about units of weight. Okay, so first of all, you have to keep in your mind this diagram. The biggest unit, ton, and then we have pounds, and ounce is the smallest unit. To convert between big to small, big to small, you have to multiply small to big, you have to divide. Okay, and ton equals 2000 pound, and pound equal to 116 ounce. Okay, we have here, let's continue our lesson that we started yesterday. Let's open your book, page 599. This is the last page of our lesson. Okay, he asked me that copy and solve. Okay, convert. So you have to copy this in your notebook and solve it. We have 23 pounds equal how many ounces? So we are converting here from big to small. So we're going to multiply by 16 because pound equals 16 ounces. So let's multiply by 16. We have here 23 multiplied by 16. 23 multiplied by 16. Okay, let's multiply it here in our draft. 23 multiplied by 16. Okay, 3 multiplied by 6 equals 18. 8 and the carry 1. 2 multiplied by 6 equals 12 and 1 13. As we all know, if we multiply by two-digit number, you have to put 0 first, and then 3 multiplied by 1 equals 3, and 2 multiplied by 1 equals 2, and then add. 8 plus 0 equals 8, 3 plus 3 equals 6, and the last one, 1 plus 2 equals 3. So the answer here is 368. 368 ounces. Okay, next one. 6 tons equal how many pounds? Because 6 tons, we are converting here from ton to pounds, so we're going to multiply here by 2000. It becomes 12,000. 144 ounces equal how many pounds? If you want to convert from ounces to pound, from small to big, you have to divide by 16. Okay, let's divide it by 16. We have to divide here by 16, which 144 divided by 16 equals, let's make it in long division. It will be 144 here, divide by 16. How many digits are here? Equal 3, so we put 3 digits here. 1 divided by 16 can't be, so put 0 up, 0 down, minus will be 1, and bring down 4. 14 divided by 16 can't be also, so put 0 again, up and down, minus 14 minus 0 equal 14, bring down 4. Then 144 divided by 16. Let's try the multiplication table of 16. Let's start with 5. 16 by 5 equal 6 by 5 equal 30, 0 and carry 3. 1 multiplied by 5 equal 5 and 3 8. It's far away about 144. So you have to multiply by a number greater than 5. Let's be 8 for example. 6 multiplied by 8 48, 8 and carry 4. 1 multiplied by 8 equal 8 and 4 12. Still we didn't reach it yet. Okay, so multiply by 9. 6 multiplied by 9 equal 54, 4 and carry 5. 1 multiplied by 9 equal 9 and 5 equal 14. So we reached it. Here we reached it here, so you have to put up 9 and down 144. Guys, copy this with me. These are very important steps, okay? You have to copy this in your notebook to try it by yourself. So the answer here is 9. 9. Here, next one. 15 tons equal how many pounds? So we are going to convert here between tons and pounds from big to small. So we're going to multiply here by 2000. So if we're going to multiply by 2000, firstly you put the 3 zeros of 2000. So we have here 15 or 2000. Start with the big number by 15. Firstly put the 3 numbers and cancel them. Okay, and then 2 multiplied by 15 equals 30. So the answer is 30,000. Okay, the same here and the same here. Do it by yourself. Okay, next one, 11. We have to compare between these two quantities, but these two quantities have different units. You have to put it in the same units. As we studied before in the previous 2 lessons, which is length units and capacity units. If you want to compare between 2 quantities, you have to put them in the same units. So we are going to put the same unit here because ounce is smaller than pound. So put the small unit as the same. So you have to put 130 ounces as the same. And then convert this to become ounces, to become like that. So we're going to multiply by what? To multiply by 16. Okay, let's multiply together. 8 multiplied by 6 equal 48. 8 and carry 4. 1 multiplied by 8 equals 8 and 4. It will be 12 ounces. So which is greater here? 130 or 128? 128 is greater, so 130 is greater, so here this sign. Okay, now the next one, the same one. We have here ounces and we have here pounds. So firstly put the small unit as the same. So we're going to put 500 544 as the same because it was ounces, and we're going to convert pounds to become ounces. So we're going to multiply by 16. Let's multiply in a blank paper. 34 multiplied by 16. 34 multiplied by 16. 4 multiplied by 6 equals 26, 24. 4 and carry 2. 3 multiplied by 6 equals 18. And 2 equals 20. Next, when we multiply by 1, you have to put 0 first. 1 multiplied by 4 equals 4. 1 multiplied by 3 equals 3. And then add. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 0 plus 4 equals 4. 2 plus 5 is 3 equals 5. So it will be 544. So the answer here 544. So we have here 544, and in the other side 544 also. So it will be equal. Okay, so all of that are the same. You have to try it by yourself and write the steps. Don't forget to write the steps, guys. Okay? Okay. Our lesson is finished today, but I have to tell you something about your online homeworks. Okay? Our online homeworks on Think Central. You have to check your account every single day about your math homework or any subject. Okay? So firstly, let's see. This is my account, the teacher account. I have your assignments here, and how many students completed here, out of what? Okay, 5G, we have 4 out of 19. 5H, 10 out of 19. 5E, 3 out of 18. 5F, 11 out of 20. Okay, and all your homeworks in front of me here. Okay, and all your reports in front of me. Okay, this reports about, the red one is about under 50%, and this yellow part between 50% and 70%, and the green one over 70%. I have the reports of each class, 5E here, 5F here, 5G here, and 5H here. Okay, let's move to our reports here and see who did the homeworks, online homeworks, and who didn't. Okay, make it quick report. Okay, let's start with 5E. Now, we have here the first one, which is Hussein, I think. He accomplished all our previous homeworks. The last 4 homeworks, he completed it. Okay? Yes. This is Hussein. Okay, thank you, Hussein. Let's give him some points on Class Dojo. Hussein, where is Hussein? Yes. Okay, next we have here, so The empty places here, it means that you didn't complete your homework. You have to complete your homework, okay? Today I'm just putting a positive points for who did the homework. Tomorrow inshallah I will subtract the points from who didn't. Okay? So you have to do your homework to take the points. Okay? So we have another one here, which is Abdullah Amir. Abdullah Amir has completed his homework. Thank you, Abdullah. Okay, let's select him. Okay, next we have here Warif. Warif, you did the homework, but you didn't answer it. You just sent it to me, but you didn't answer it. You have to answer it. Okay, guys, you have to answer it, and then at the end, turn it on. We have a green button in the right part of the screen. You have to turn it on and send it to me after you solve it. Okay? Okay. So some of you, like Abdurrahman, you didn't do these two homeworks and also this homework, graph and analyze relationships. Okay? You only did two homeworks. You have to complete your homeworks, Abdurrahman. Okay? So we have 3 or 4 of you did your online assignments. What about the others? The rest of the class didn't do the homework. The online homework in this period is very important. All your marks on your online homeworks and online assignments. Okay, guys, you have to understand that. And I have your reports. Who did the homework and who didn't? Okay, so tomorrow inshallah or the next virtual class I will discuss it with you. The next virtual class will be inshallah Thursday in 12:30 p.m. Okay, so you have to prepare your homeworks and your online assignments. Okay, this about 5E. What about 5F? Okay, 5F. We have here about Abdullah al-Marzouk. Abdullah al-Marzouk, you did the homeworks, but your marks is low, so you have to concentrate when you did the homework, when you do the homework, okay? But I will give you the homework marks. Okay, let's give feedback for Hussein and Abdullah Tariq. Thank you, guys. 5F. We have here Abdullah Marzouk. Okay, next the same idea. Okay, Mahmoud, you did the homework but you didn't answer any question, so you got 0 on all of your online assignments. You have to answer the questions and press the button turn it in. Okay, guys? Okay, next one is Abdullah al-Muhsin. Abdullah al-Muhsin, you did the homeworks, but the last homework you didn't. Customer capacity You didn't do the homework. Okay, so let's put your name here. Okay, here next one we have Muhammad. Here it will be, we have three late homeworks: line plot, length units, and customary capacity. Okay, next we have here Haider Al-Amir. Haider Al-Amir completed all his assignments like that. Haider Al-Amir. Okay, thank you Haider. Great offer, guys. Okay, Haider Al-Amir. Okay, let's move to the next one. Qasim. Qasim, you have to answer the questions first and then turn it on. Okay? Because you got 0 on all the assignments. Okay, next. Amjad. Thank you, Amjad. You have 100% in each assignment. So let's add your name. Okay, the next one. Hussam. Thank you, Hussam. 100% of all. Thank you. Hussam. And then we have here Ahmad Hashim. Thank you, guys. Good job. Ahmad Hashim. Yes, let's give him points for online assignments. Okay, let's move to 5G. 5G. Okay, you have to participate more than that. 5G. Okay, we have Abdul Karim, 100%. He finished all his assignments. So let's move to 5G. Abdul Karim. Okay, next one. Okay, Muhammad Mazen. Thank you, Muhammad. And Ali Mazen also. Ali Mazen, you have two not completed assignments. And Muhammad Mazen also, you have two non-completed assignments. You have to complete it. Okay, what else? Okay, this about 5G. Only one 5G. We have only Abdul Karim did all his online assignments. You have participate more, guys. Thank you, Abdul Karim. Okay, let's move to 5H. 5H we have here Walid. He did all the assignments, but you have missed this one, line plot, so you have to complete it to take your marks. Okay, Ali Sawaf, why you got 0 here and 0 here? You have and 17 here. You have to answer your online assignment, then send it to me by using the green button. Turn it on. Okay, Asmat, you did all your online assignment. Thank you, Asmat. Let's select him. And also we have Ali Julayh. It's okay, but you have 2 non-completed assignments, so you have to complete it. And we have Muhammad Wa'il. You have to complete this assignment, line plot. Okay, Muhammad Naim, Muhammad Said, we have here one remaining assignment. You have to complete it to take your marks. Okay, great job guys, but you most of you did all the homework except 1 or 2, so you have to complete all your assignments to allow me to add you on Class Dojo. Okay, so the only one in 5H who did all the homeworks, all his online homeworks, was Asmat. So let's give him a online assignments marks. Thank you, Asmat. Okay, that's about our lesson today, which is